is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina, and check this thing out, man. I've always wanted a drone. I always wanted a drone that had a camera in it, and this is that drone. This is the Snaptain Vision Beyond Imagination, the A15H 4-axis foldable drone. I hope I do not destroy this thing the first time I fly it, but I'm excited to play with this. You have a lot of requests over the years from folks saying, hey, I'd love to see a tour of your farm. I'd love to see the overview. Well, we're going to get to see it from outer space, right? We're going to fly up there and check that thing out from up above. So, yeah, the A15H. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm no pilot. Looks like I'm going to need a knife. Let's see what we got here. I'm excited about this one. Activate your 12-month free warranty. Okay, you better do that because, well, I don't know. Hopefully the warranty covers smashing. And I'll hang on to that for sure. All right, we got this pretty fancy looking remote control. Oh, cool. Okay, take a photo, take a video, on, off. Wow, we got a lot of stuff here. This thing, holds a cell phone, so it like sits up there. You're gonna like watch it from the cell phone. From what I was watching the videos on this thing earlier. Takeoff, landing, lights, stop, speed, circle fly, headless. I wonder what that means. And return. Return is cool. I want this thing to come back to me. I am not a pilot, so I'm hoping that this thing is as awesome as they made it out to be on the website. It's like a carrying bag for it. That's kind of cool. So it basically, they're saying that this thing has the ability, like you push a panic button and this thing will just kind of go back to where it belongs. And that is awesome. I hope that that works out well for me. Interesting. Wow, that's really weird. I had not what I thought. Okay, so those things kind of just do their thing, and that way if they come into contact with an object, they're less likely to break, I'd imagine. That's really neat. Then we got our power button there. There's our camera. And then looks like we put our batteries in here. I'm kind of curious if this is rechargeable. Oh, it is. It's totally rechargeable. Here we are all set up. So I've got the camera turned on this, and you can actually see, or hopefully you can, it's looking downrange here into the house. So I've got the app on there. That should be able to record. Got a nice battery in my remote. I've turned the lights off on this thing just to conserve battery power while I'm playing with it. But I've got the guards here for the propellers. Batteries in it, got another battery charged up for it. It says it has about a 9-minute run time per battery, but we are well below freezing today, so it's entirely possible that that's going to be cut in half, I would imagine. Got our quick user's guide, our main user's guide, some spare blades, which hopefully we won't need. And what I'm going to do, I don't know how to really ride or drive a drone, but we're going to play with it a little bit. It does have some interesting functions here on the remote that I want to point out. Takeoff, landing are automated. That's awesome. Lights on and off. We can just shut it down and it just should drop out of the sky. The calibration procedure I've already gone through. My on-off. Then we have different speeds. We have return. So I guess it GPS tracks where it is and comes back to you. It'll do a loop, circle flying, and headless. I'm not exactly sure what headless is. Up on the top here, we've got photo and video. But of course the app also has buttons to do that as well. So I am excited. I'm a little nervous. No, actually, I'm a lot nervous. This thing was not inexpensive, and I'd hate to blow it up on my first try out, but it's entirely possible because Failblog would not be full of drones crashing into houses if these things weren't easy to crash into houses. I'm going to show you some montages of the attempts I've made at flying this thing, and then I'll also show you some onboard video. Hopefully I can get it high enough. It's a little windy outside, so I'm not sure how safe that's going to be, but hopefully I'm going to get it high enough off the ground that we can get a nice view of the property. That's my ultimate goal here, is like kind of have the changing views of the property as the winter goes on. Let's go on outside and give it a shot.